Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she's been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get mad. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing.
So, as you can see by the title, your girl is going to be doing a get ready with me. I did start my cycle yesterday, so today is technically my first day of my cycle. So we're just gonna be doing like a cute little get ready with me. I have work at 9:30 to 1:30, a cute simple shift. Okay, that's all I need. That's all I need. A cute simple shift. No. And then after, my sister and I, we're having like a little cute sister's date, my little sister. But it's not going to be in this video. This is just a get ready with me. Basically, a get ready with me for my day. I'm not going to be like get ready with me for work. But yeah, you know, it's my first day of my period. And I don't have cramps, but I do have cramps. It's just going in and out right now. It's killing me. But I got my hair done yesterday and I wanted to do a get ready with me. So let's do a get ready with me. I'm about to take a bubble bath. I don't feel like standing up since I'm on my period. But me realizing I just said that, I'm gonna stand up while I'm at work. But it's all cool though. So I'm gonna see you after my bubble bath, and then we're gonna start the face, brush our teeth and everything like that. I'm about to do my makeup. So hey y'all, as you can see, I did my lashes. There are the clusters, and then I did my brows too. About to go in with this stuff. I'm not gonna make it too heavy, I'm just gonna make it very light. And yeah, it's 8:53. I work at 9:30. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna wear to work, but I know what I'm gonna wear later though. So just gonna finish my makeup in here.
Look at her. Look at her, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, riding with her. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of
already. This is so cute. It's 9:23 and your girl needs to be at work, but this is my get ready with me, everything like that. I'm about to head to work now, and yeah,